In this video, we're going to show you to install the mass airflow sensor on your Buick Enclave located underneath your hood. With the hood open on the right-hand side, we're going to locate our mass airflow sensor right here. Now there's a bunch of debris around here, so I'm simply going to take a spray solvent and just kind of clean up around here, because we are going to be exposing this intake, and we don't want to have any sort of debris falling down inside the intake area. After that's done, we want to go ahead and dislodge the locking mechanism right here. Now you can use your finger and pull this out, like so. And if you can't pull that out, you can gently use a small pocket screwdriver to just gently work that out. Once that's released, you want to press down on this little tab right here and disconnect the connector. Don't pull on the wires, make sure you pull on the connector itself. Tuck that aside. Using a 7/32 socket, loosen and remove the two screws holding the mass airflow sensor to the air intake tube. Be careful not to lose those screws. Then you can grab that sensor, give it a gentle wiggle, and slide that out like so. I'm going to make sure that the port here is clear of any debris. Go ahead and line up your sensor and insert that. Once that's seated, go ahead and start installing the screws. Once we get the screws started, we'll go ahead and snug those down. And when tightening these down, just wait till that snugs and then just give it a hair bit more. You just want to make them snug. You don't want to over tighten this. Right there, it's bottomed out. A little bit more. Grab the connector, line that up and push that on. You're going to hear the click and feel it as well. Don't forget to engage the locking clip. You're going to hear that click as well. Now at this point here, you want to go ahead and use your scan tool, clear any check engine lights, go ahead and go for a road test, and at that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.